This is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So, to begin with, you need to swipe downward from the right part of your status bar. Among the available shortcuts, look for the Wi-Fi, touch and hold. Then tap on the network that you would like to share the password of. At the network details page, you'll have the Wi-Fi QR code section. That's the very top one. Tap on it, and you'll get this little pop-up window that will provide you not only with the actual Wi-Fi network password, but also the QR code that can be further used to get some device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.